Greetings everyone, happy Easter and also happy Ramadan. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare broccoli. Easy way of preparing broccoli. Join me in my kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Guys, continue to watch my now I'm gonna prepare some of the ingredients I'm going to use, such as garlic, onions, and I'll also use red chilies just to add more flavors. I've also decided to add some of the mushrooms. I'm using chestnut mushrooms, the brown one. I'll add this in my broccoli dish. Guys, continue watching as I continue with this making this delicious dish. Please don't forget to subscribe. Also share these videos with others. Thank you. I will add the onions and saute until well cooked and tender. Now our onions is done. I will add some mushrooms. I'll add mushrooms. I will fry my mushrooms for just 3 to 4 minutes because I don't want the mushrooms to overcook. Anyway, mushrooms doesn't take long to fry. Then I'll add some paprika. I'll add a bit of paprika just to season my dish a bit, and also season with black pepper just to add more flavors to my dish. As I said, this dish is just simple. It doesn't contain a lot of stuff, a lot of seasoning or ingredients. It's cheaper for you. Now I'll add some butter just to add more flavors. You know, it's always about flavors and taste. So I'll add butter, but it's an option. If you want, you just use the olive oil or any other type of oil. Then I'll make sure everything is mixed well. Now I'll add garlic. Guys, the amount of garlic to add in your dishes, it depends how you like garlic or not. I love garlic, so I always use a bit more garlic. Where are you watching me from? Let me know where you are watching me from, guys. Now I've just added some red chilies just to add a bit of spicy taste. Lastly, I'll add my broccoli and mix everything together. Guys, let me know what you think about my recipe. Did you like the recipe? If you're a fan of vegetables, if you're a fan of broccoli or mushrooms, guys, this is the right recipe for you to try. The flavors are just perfect. Please don't forget that here at Miami Kitchen 74, we cook and we eat our cooking. Guys, remember, go and watch my previous videos. I love cooking, guys. So please support me by watching these videos. And also, we need to grow this channel. Guys, we are here to stay. So enjoy my recipes. Guys, YouTube is not all that easy. I'm learning every day. So guys, continue to support me. Continue to comment. Continue to let me know what you think about my cooking. Guys, we don't take insults, but it's about learning experience every day. Guys, our broccoli dish is ready. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Miami Kitchen 74, the home of delicious, yummy, mouth-watering dishes. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with all your friends, loved ones, you name it. Thank you very much to all my subscribers once again, returning, new ones. Love you so much. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your comment. I take everything on board. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Continue enjoying my other videos because there's more recipes coming. Don't forget, please watch the full video without skipping so that you can get this recipe. There is a recipes. If you are confused, just drop a question there on that comment section. I'll answer your question. Thank you. Enjoy your day. God bless you all. Ciao, ciao. Bye.